Merch by Amazon trending niche alert. In this video, I'm going to share with you 7 low competition vasectomy sub niches. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on Merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. If you like this kind of content and you get any value out of this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. So before I get into those 7 sub niches, let's just go ahead and do a quick sales update because we are now in November. And to be honest, things have been kind of just going a little bit slower than kind of expected. It's mainly because I've been getting a lot of returns. Like right here, you're going to see that, I already have 13 sales for the month, but no big deal. That's just the way business is on merch sometimes. But here we're going to see yesterday I did 15 sales, did $35, and today I'm at 7 sales, only 18 bucks. It is currently 5:30 p.m. So hopefully things will pick up towards the end of the evening. But as of now, I'm sitting at $142 for the month of November. If you want to follow me on Instagram and get my daily sales updates, the link is in the description. I post my daily sales. I post gym pics, entrepreneur pics. I post my daily sales from Etsy, and also just like life down here in Mexico. This is the Katrina. This is actually the world's largest Katrina in the Guinness Book of World Records, so that was pretty cool. So if you're interested, link is in the description if you want to follow me on Instagram. But now let's go ahead and get into the content of this video. So vasectomy day is coming up. It's in November and it's every year. So right here it takes place third Friday in November. It's going to be on the 18th. And if you don't know what a vasectomy is, it's basically when a male gets a surgery to get his tubes tied so he can't have children anymore, or can't get women pregnant basically. And the first sub niche or phrase that I have for you is this phrase right here that says all juice, no seeds. And actually a lot of these niches, these 7 niches I have for you, some of them are like ridiculously low in competition. I'm talking less than like 20 results and getting sales. So I think you guys are going to like this video and like these niches. This was probably the most popular one that I saw, was all juice, no seeds. It's actually a pretty funny saying. You can probably get the idea. But there's only 108 results. And when we go to the third page, we're going to see that there's still only 108 results right there. Here what some of the designs are looking like. A lot of them have like lemons, trying to make like a funny joke how there's no seeds. But a lot of them have BSRs we're going to see, like this one right here, 635. This one right here, 542, both in the Climate Pledge friendly category. But this first row, the second row, third row, fourth row, all have BSRs, all doing really well. Pretty easy to design for. I noticed a common theme was a lot with like retro like this, so that could be an idea. But if we go to test to see if this is trademarked, all juice, no seeds, we hit enter, nothing pops up. And when we go to Etsy to check out the competition there, we're going to see only 1,000 results. A lot of them are PNG files. If we go to Rebel, we're going to see the competition's only 299 results. And when we go to TeePublic, we're going to see we can't see how many results are, but we can just see what the designs look like. Again, we're seeing a lot of those like limes, oranges, things like that. Now, I wasn't able to find any specific designs for this phrase on Creative Fabrica, but if you type in vasectomy, you can see that they do have some designs just with different sayings. But that is the first phrase or niche that I have for you, and it is this one right here that says all juice, no seeds. And then the second low competition vasectomy niche that I have for you is this funny phrase right here that says I shoot blanks. We're going to see there's only 73 results. There isn't a third page because I can't show you. So that's how low in competition it is. And when we look at the designs, we're going to see very simple I shoot blanks, just text, selling, has a review at a pretty good price. These ones also right here, I shoot blanks are also selling, have reviews as well. They don't have the best BSRs, but we can see that they are getting sales. Now something to note here, when you upload this onto Merch by Amazon, you just want to make sure that you don't have the youth selected, because shoot will probably get you a rejection if the youth is selected, and with a gun like this. So just make sure that the youth is not selected if you decide to upload to this niche with this phrase. But we can see it's low in competition. It is selling. When we go to test to see if it is trademarked, I shoot blanks, we hit enter. Nothing is going to pop up. I also noticed when I was doing a little research on this niche here, I saw this other niche, because sometimes when you're doing research, you'll go down these like rabbit holes basically, and I found this other niche right here that says, it's like the opposite, where it says I don't shoot blanks, and it is for dads that are established. So this could be a good one for the upcoming year. I'm always talking about those 2024 niches or the upcoming year niches, so this could be a good one. I don't shoot blanks, dad established, and then put 2024 instead of 2023. But that's just something I noticed when I was doing some research on that niche. But if we go to Etsy to take a look at the vasectomy niche where it says I shoot blanks. We're going to see the competition is under 1,000 results. Redbubble is 31 results. And when we go to TeePublic, again, we can't see the results, but we can just see that there's only, well, we can see that there's only 3 results actually. And we can see what the designs look like. When I went to Create a Fabrica, wasn't really able to find any with this exact phrase, but again, you can get some different type of sayings if you just type in vasectomy to Create a Fabrica. So that is the second low competition vasectomy niche that I have for you, and it is I shoot blanks. And then the third vasectomy niche that I have for you is this funny phrase right here that says vasectomy recreational use only. We're going to see that there's only 10 results, so super low in competition. And here you're going to want to have like the arrow pointing down. That's what makes it funny. But check this out. Let me just refresh it because it's not showing the BSRs. But like right here we can see this one has 5 reviews, so we know that one is selling. But I did take a look at this before, and I saw that they all had BSRs, or the majority of them had BSRs. So here we can see the BSRs, so 5 million, 3 million. This one has 644 in the Climate Pledge friendly category. And this one right here was actually just uploaded, looks like last month, October 3rd, 2023, already selling. When we go to test to see if this funny phrase is trademarked, vasectomy recreational use only, nothing pops up. Competition on Etsy is only 725. Redbubble, there's only 1 result, and it was this one right here, which actually gives you another niche. So baby machine broke, that's kind of funny, recreational use only, so kind of same idea, just different saying or different text. And when we go to TeePublic, there's actually nothing on TeePublic, so that could be a good option. Again, when I went to Create a Fabrica, I wasn't able to find anything for that exact saying, but like I keep saying, you can just type in vasectomy and get some designs that way. But that is the third vasectomy or low competition vasectomy niche that I have for you, and it is this phrase right here, vasectomy recreational use only. Make sure you have the arrow pointing down. And then the fourth low competition vasectomy niche that I have for you is I just retired the swim team. Also super low in competition. I'm only seeing 7 results. It's also selling right here. This is what some of the designs look like. BSRs 4 million, 8 million, 1 million, 6 million. I think this niche is good because, you know, it's low in competition, and, you know, we have vasectomy day coming up. But, you know, this will also sell year round because people are getting vasectomy surgeries all throughout the year. So it's a good niche to be in for the month of November, but you will still see sales consistently throughout the year. So it's kind of like a double whammy. So, you know, it's going to be trending this month, but it's also like evergreen as well. When we take a look and test to see if this is trademarked, we're going to see, well, actually I already did it, but let's just do it again. Nothing is going to pop up. And as always, competition is low on Etsy, 500 results. There's only 1 result on Redbubble. Looks like kind of the same one that we saw over here. Looks very similar to that. And TeePublic, not really seeing anything right there. So that is the fourth niche that I have for you. I just retired the swim team. And then the fifth low competition vasectomy niche I have for you is actually a really good one. I probably should have put this one more at the top, but is this funny phrase right here that says Vasectomy Survivor. I kid you not. There's only 70 results. There isn't a third page, so I can't show you. But take a look at some of these BSRs. Look at this. 328, 238 in the Climate Pledge friendly category. 994. This looks like it's not even in the Climate Pledge friendly category. We got some more really good BSRs right here. So this could be a really good one for us. Pretty easy to design for as well. Vasectomy Survivor, I kid you not. When we go to test to see if this is trademarked, for some reason when I type it in, it gives me some weird, not too sure what this is. So a good idea is to just maybe do like half of it. See, nothing pops up there. But since all of these have gotten through and have been selling for, you know, looks like a couple of years now, 19, you know, should be fine. But always do your research. If we go to Etsy, we're going to see Vasectomy Survivor, I kid you not, only has 956 results, so under 1,000. Redbubble, only 27 results. This would be a really good one for Redbubble because we could see that it's selling very well on Amazon right here, so I'm sure it would do good on Redbubble as well. And there's barely any competition, only 27 results. TeePublic, we get some designs right here. And I wasn't able to find anything for Create a Fabrica for this phrase. But that is the fifth low competition vasectomy niche that I have for you. It is this one right here that says Vasectomy Survivor. I kid you not. Easy text design. And then the sixth niche that I have for you is also a funny one and also super low in competition. It's Vasectomies Prevent Minivans. There's only 5 results. and these are selling. Right here we're going to see 545,000 BSR in the climate pledge friendly category. This one 5 million, 2 million right here. Pretty funny saying, I have to admit. Only 5 results, low in competition, selling. If we go to tests, vasectomies prevent minivans, we're going to see nothing pops up. Low in competition on Etsy, only 879 results. Nothing pops up on Redbubble. When you see the Jesus, that means there's no matches. And when we go to TeePublic, there's also no matches as, actually, are there? No, this is a different niche right here. But that is the 6th niche that I have for you. It is vasectomies prevent minivans. Really low in competition, only 5 results on Amazon. And then the last low competition vasectomy niche that I have for you is this funny one right here that says clipped but still equipped. Only 16 results. We can see what some of the designs are looking like. You can see they have reviews. They are selling. Let's see if I can find another one. Pretty easy text design right here. Doesn't take too much skill to create this on Photoshop or Canva or whatever type of design software that you like to use. When we go to test to see if this is trademarked, clipped but still equipped, nothing is going to pop up, and competition is low on all the other websites. 285 Etsy, Redbubble, there's only 4 results, and TeePublic we're going to see that there's only looks like maybe 10 results on TeePublic. So those are the 7 niches that I have for you. That is going to be it for the video today. Comment below, let me know what you think about these niches. I read all of your comments and I love responding to them, so make sure to comment, let me know what you think. If you want to sign up for Create a Fabrica, I do have an affiliate link in my description. And it's right here, this one right here that says Create a Fabrica. It is an affiliate link, so if you do sign up using my link, I do get a small commission. But like I always like to preach, Create a Fabrica, in my opinion, is the best resource for us merch by Amazon or just print-on-demand sellers. They have fonts, graphics, AI, they have courses, they have a whole POD section. And keep a lookout. There's probably going to be like a Black Friday deal. You know, right now I think it's like $60 for the year, but don't be surprised if you can find it for like $30. That's what I got it for a year ago. So just keep a lookout. For $30, that's a steal, in my opinion. And then also, if you're looking for more design ideas, check out my YouTube channel. I have this first playlist right here. I also put a video up somewhere right here, maybe over here somewhere, which is this video right here, showing you my exact strategy on how I make $1,000 a month on merch by Amazon. So make sure to watch that video. Really good video, a lot of value in there. But that's going to be it for the video today. I'm a little tired. I was spending a lot of the day at the pool with the family. Now I'm just going to go ahead and probably go watch some football. But thanks so much for supporting my channel, watching the videos, commenting, liking, all that good stuff. Really appreciate it. But that's going to be it. So you guys, hope you had a good weekend and hope you have a good start to the week. I'll see you on the next one. Adios.